then very excited because yesterday my mom went to army camping but without me because it was raining very fast and I want to eat all of these snacks which my mom got alone because they look very delicious. So first we are going to start with some chocolates and you can see the name as Kinder. You can read it and it's purple in the packet but the inside side is brown. Let's keep it here. Time for a new thing. It's popcorn. We have to cook it first before eating. Here are the instructions. And so we have to cook it and then I do this. I close the light, watch TV, movies and then eat popcorn. That's like I'm in the cinema. Let's keep it here. We have got 2 chocolate biscuits now. They're very yummy and their name is Waffle. You can see them and they're pink the cream. Let's keep it here. Time for 2 juices. They're very yummy and the name is, you can see the name. So it's this, you can see right, and it's red in color, my favorite color, and it looks very yummy. It has lychee inside also here. I think we have got 2 pies now. These 2 pies are very delicious and I really want to eat them. And the name is C. And there's a picture behind it. Let's keep it here. Time for our 14 treats now. See Oreo. There are some blue packet biscuits. From inside they are black and see. They also have a cream which is made of milk. Keep it here. We have 2 chocolates now. There are also one more, but this one is of car. This one is like a fish. So they are looking very yummy. This one is yellow. This one is purple. This one is airplane. This one is sticks. Let's keep it here. Time for the biscuits. These biscuits' name is, you can see, okay, and then you keep it here. I need this thing, I guess. This thing is a chocolate. It's yummy biscuits. We can eat it and it's very yummy. It's biscuits and it's made of this thing. And you can see, and the name is, I don't know this one. Let's keep it here. Time for some lollipops. It is Chupa Chups. And it has also a chewing gum inside, see. And it's strawberry flavor, my favorite, and it's pink. We have got 2 chocolates here. Munch. One is big, one is small. This one is free, I think. There's one more munch here. Let's keep it here. And time for 2 juices. These 2 juices are yummy and this is yellow, this is orange. But this is mixed fruits, this is mango drink. Keep it here. Finally we have got this one and this is a chocolate. The name is this number and it's yellow. Let's keep it here. Finally dark sand. You can see the name. See, it's very yummy and it's biscuits. It has a chocolate cream in. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.